Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes. In previous class, we have learnt about the shape in the earth and its neighbors. We have learnt about the shape of the earth. How is the shape of the earth? Like a ball. I have shown you the ball. How the ball is there? It's in a spherical in shape, and the earth also is in spherical in shape, and there has the no edges. We don't have any edges to the earth. We have flat at top and bottom also flat. The top is called North Pole and the bottom is called South Pole. Okay children, this is about the shape of the earth. In the today's class, we will learn earth and its neighbors. Second topic, the sun. What is the sun? The sun is a huge hot gas. You can see when we get the sun, it will be hot, right? In which time we can see the sun? In the daytime only. Okay, there are more importance about the sun. Let's read from the reader first.
Children, open page number 113. The sun. The sun is a huge ball of hot gas. It gives us heat and light. It is important for all living things. Life on earth would not be possible without the heat and light of the sun. Plants need sunlight to make food. The heat of the sun makes water vapor from the earth. The water forms clouds and comes down as rain. The heat from the sun also helps us to dry our clothes and other things. We use the sun's heat to cook food and heat water. There are some cars too that use the energy from the sun to run. See, this is a solar cooker. You can cook here. Sunlight can be used to cook food, and you can see here car also. Car that runs on sun's energy. You can see here the solar. This consumes the sun from sunlight. It will consume the energy and the car will run. So by the sun we have so many uses. In detail I'll show you on the board how the sun is useful to, how the sun is need to us. Okay children?
Yes children, in the reader we have read about the sun, right? Now who all need the sun? Why do we need the sun? The both are there. First thing, who need the sun? Humans need the sun, right? Why they need the sun? Because the sun gives us heat and light, and we use the sun to cook food. I have already shown you in the reader the solar cooker also, and we using the energy from the sun, we will run the cars also, and we will dry the clothes also. Okay children, and in the winter we will sit near the sun, because in winter we will get so cold, so we will sit near the sun to get some hotness. And plants, next who need the sun? Plants, animals, birds, because plants, they use sunlight to prepare their food, and in the sun, when the sunlight is there only, animals like birds, they go for search of food. Because in the night time they can't search the food, because in the daytime only they can search the food. What is the use of sun? These are the uses for humans, and also plants, birds, animals also use the sun. The sun is a huge ball of very hot gas. These gases burn to produce heat and light. Plants need sunlight to make their food. We and other animals depend on plants for food. Thus, the sun is important for all living things. These days there are cars that run using the energy from the sun. We can also cook food using the energy from the sun. And appliances used to cook food the sun energy is called solar cooker. Yes children. Now what would happen if there is no sun? What would happen? We will not see the daytime. It will be only the night time, and always it will be cold. And if there is no sun, we can't get the light, and the plants can't make the food. If plants can't make the food, humans also not get the food. So the plants will die and we may also die. So the sun is very important. Okay children, this is the topic of the sun. Now let's do the workbook. Open your workbook.
Our workbook page number 11. We are doing S2, the sun. Write today's date, that is 8/12 2020. Let's do the first one. Change the circle to a sun. Write few words to describe the sun. This is the sun. How it is there? You have to describe in sun words about the sun, children. Sun is round, right? Oh, round. And sun is hot? Yes, hot. And sun is bright. It gives us light to us. So it is bright. And sun is a huge ball. So it is a huge ball. So these are the some words we have described about the sun. Let's see the second question. Second one. Why is the sun important? Why is the sun important, children? It's very easy. We have already read in the reader and also I've already shown you in the board also how the sun is important. Open your reader, page number 113. See, children, you can see here, it is important for all living things. Life on earth would be not possible without the heat and light of the sun. Plants need sunlight to make food. So this is the answer, children. This is the second answer in your workbook. Okay. Now let's do the third one. Write down that answer here. Okay. Let's do the third one. Imagine if there was no sun, how would it affect life on earth? I've already explained you. If there is no sun, what would have happened? We don't experience the summer. Always it will be cool only, and no day also. It will be dark, and plants can't make the food, and the plants will die. So if plants will die, we will not get the vegetables and fruits. So if the sunlight is not there, all the living things will affect. So let's see the answer, children. So this is the answer. Without the sun, we would not be able to experience summer and would be cold all around. Second point. There would be no day. It would always be always dark. So full stop, children, here. Plants would not be able to make their food and would die. Third point. People who eat vegetables and fruits from plants would not be able to get their food and can die. So we eat fruits and vegetables. We need the fruits and vegetables from plants. If plants are only not there, what we will get? Nothing we will get. So the sun is very important to living things. So if there is no sun, we will affect so much on the life of the earth. This is the answer, children. Okay. Write down the third answer. Now open your reader, children. We have completed the S2 workbook. Now open your reader, page number 116. Number 116, children. Mark it, the third question, as your second question. Okay. Open page number 113 now. 113. The answer is here only. Features are the sun. First point. Second answer, first point. The sun is a huge ball of hot gas. Second point. It gives us heat and light. Second point completed. Here third point. It is important for all living things. This is the 3 points. These are the features of the sun. So we have completed the second answer also. Okay. Now complete your S2 workbook and write down the second answer. Okay, children. Complete your workbooks and classwork, children. Okay. Thank you.